During this video, we'll explain what is a proximity sensor, as well as how to select the right chip for your application from our lineup of proximity sensor products. A proximity sensor is an electronic sensor capable of detecting the presence of nearby objects without physical contact. It emits an electromagnetic field or beam of electromagnetic radiation and then looks for changes in the return signal or field. The object that is being sensed is the proximity sensor's target. Depending on the proximity sensor targets, different sensors may be used. For example, an inductive proximity sensor requires a metallic target, whereas a capacitive photoelectric sensor may be suitable for a plastic target. A proximity sensor that is adjusted to a very short range can often be used as a touch switch. Proximity sensors have a long functional life and high reliability due to the absence of mechanical parts and the lack of physical contact between the sensor and the target. Proximity sensors are able to work in high shock applications and can measure accelerations down to 0 Hz. They can also be used in any orientation and have no moving parts. Other advantages are that they are compact, have a large dynamic range, are cheap and easy to use, and offer long-term stability. Proximity sensors have a wide range of applications, including parking assistance for car bumpers that sense the distance to other nearby cars or objects during the parking procedure. They can also be used in conveyor systems, vibration measurements of rotating shafts in machinery, roller coasters, ground proximity warning systems for aviation safety, anti-aircraft warfare, and touch screens on mobile devices that come in close proximity with the user's face. There are several different kinds of proximity sensors at Future Electronics. We stock many of the most common types categorized by several parameters, including sensing axis, operating temperature range, sensing range, supply voltage, packaging type, and supply current. The first way to select the right proximity sensor is by choosing the required technical attributes on our website, where your search results will quickly be narrowed to match your specific proximity sensor application needs. Selecting the right proximity sensor is as simple as going to the futureelectronics.com website. Let me demonstrate. First, start by typing the word proximity sensor in the search box. The Type Ahead feature will automatically drop down and you can choose the Analog Sensors Proximity section. You will see that there are 95 matching products. You can then filter these results even further according to the required attributes such as type, output type, supply voltage, supply current, as well as packaging type. For example, if you need your proximity sensor to have an analog output, you will see that there are 24 matching products. Once the search results have appeared, you might decide that you need your proximity sensor to be of a touchpad controller type. You will see that there are now 9 matching products. Now let's say that you need to have a supply voltage of either 1.7 to 2.75 volts or 1.71 to 2.75 volts. You can select both those attributes with the Select More Than One function and press Select. You will see that there are now 4 matching products by applying this additional filter. You may decide to filter your results even further by other attributes or by manufacturer. Once you have found the right semiconductor, you can click on the part number, where you will receive a technical overview of the chip and where you can download the datasheet. If the quantity of proximity sensors required is less than a full reel, we offer our customers many of our proximity sensor products in tube, tray, or individual quantities that will avoid unneeded surplus. Visit us online today at futureelectronics.com to buy or get more information about the features and uses of proximity sensors.